Deputies say it was a chokehold by an employee at a Sarasota club that killed a customer over the weekend. Local security experts say the incident makes the case for proper security training and a change of state law. SNN local news reporter Grant Boxleitner explains.
Chokehold is extremely dangerous. It actually can be deadly.
Deputies say the weekend death of a customer at the Cheetah Club Lounge in Sarasota was caused by a chokehold from club employee Brad Stanford. Ron Targoszewski is a former police officer and director of training at Sarasota Security Patrol.
They are held liable for their employees, and the fact is a lot of them are not trained and they're not certified by the state, so really you don't know what you're getting.
He says nightclub security personnel are not held to the same training standards as licensed security officers.
All that bouncer needs is to be full-time. That means if I took a secretary that's working full-time, I can say, okay, now she is my bouncer. There's no formal training. There's no training on use of force or anything like that. It's not state mandated or anything.
According to arrest reports, once Stanford had the chokehold on the victim, he told people he would not release the hold until law enforcement arrived.
The danger with that is the longer that you apply or hold that choke, it's going to take longer and longer for that person to recover, and it can lead into death.
In this video, Targoszewski demonstrates how quickly a chokehold can render someone unconscious, and he releases in seconds. The training also takes students and employees through real-life scenarios.
Sir, security, drop what's in your hands.
Along with proper techniques for takedowns.
If this person becomes violent, you're trying to do the minimum amount of force that's reasonable for that situation.
Rick Breeden says before he became a trained security officer, he worked 20 years as a bouncer.
While I was in the bar and nightclub industry, you weren't taught anything. It was basically, you would either learn on your own or just not know the right way to go.
Reporting in Sarasota County, Grant Boxleitner, SNN Local News.